Hello, I'm Jesse Myles of the Myles Group, and today I'm going to answer the question about should I buy a new home or should I buy a resale home? In my opinion, basically it all depends on what you really are looking for and what your lifestyle that you want to have. With a resale home, I would say if you want to be in an established neighborhood already, a home with character. A lot of times with resale homes, you're going to get more land wise instead of like in a brand new subdivision where people feel they can reach out and touch the neighbor. Now, on a new home, a couple of pros would be, you're living in something that you helped design yourself, so it's really gonna be a reflection of you, and you get a chance to watch the area around you grow. Then also, as far as like deferred maintenance, everything that you're getting in the home, as far as the hot water heater, the shingles on the roof, a lot of the major items that are in a home, you're getting brand new. You don't have to worry about for 10 to 20 years. But again, at the end of the day, it's really what are you really looking for to fit your lifestyle. If you have any more questions about buying, selling a home, feel free to contact me at the information below.